So good day everyone. For this video, we will be discussing for the derivative of trigonometric functions. So if you will take time to pause and screenshot this video, you should be familiarized or memorize ninyo ang mga basic derivative for this trigonometric function, which is this. Kay perminti ni siya magbalik-balik sa mga problem. And without further ado, let's try to answer some sample problems regarding with the particular solution involving chain rule and product rule. So for number one, example one, find the first derivative of the following. We have the f of x that is equal to tan x sine x. So we have a chain rule, and inside the chain rule is the product rule. So the solution would be solution f prime of x is equal to derivative of the outside function tan, derivative of the tangent is secant squared. So secant squared x sine x times the chain rule inside the argument of the function. If we let this x as our u and sine x as our v, we can have the formula of the u v prime plus v u prime, right? So allow me to rewrite u is equal to x. So its u prime is equal to 1. And v is equal to sine x. And its v prime would be, from the formula above, sine x is equal to cosine x. That is its derivative, cosine x. So for plugging the formula in, f of x prime of x is now equal to sec squared x sine x times the product rule of this u, which is equal to x, times the v prime na cos x plus v na sine x times the u prime na 1 times 1. So to simplify, that would give us equal to, if we will be arranging this solution, answer, be x cos x plus sine x. Don't forget the parentheses times the secant squared x sine x. And for our problem number 2, we have f of x is equal to tan 2x over 1 minus cot 2x. This one can be solved by using the quotient rule, or for me, I will be using the product rule, which I will first be transforming the function into tan 2x times, since we have the function in the denominator and I want this one to be multiplied to the numerator, i-raise to negative value lang ako siya. Since yung power is just a 1, so pag ako siya itaas, raise to negative 1 lang. So 1 minus cot 2x quantity raised to negative 1. And by doing this, we can apply the product rule, the u and v. So our u here is u is equal to tan 2x. And if we will be deriving u prime, this function, with respect to x, from the formula above, the derivative of the tangent is equal to secant squared. So secant squared times 2x times the inside function of 2x, that is just times 2, right? So our u prime would be just 2 secant squared 2x. And for our v, that is equal to 1 minus cot 2x raised to negative 1. So if we will be deriving this one, would be the application of power rule and chain rule. So, -1, so bring down -1 times, copy, 1 minus cot 2x raised to -1 minus 1, that would be -2. And the derivative of the inside function, that would be derivative of a constant, number 1 is 0 minus the derivative of cotangent. From the formula above, we have negative cosecant squared x. So, that would be negative cosecant squared 2x times the derivative inside of the argument, or I mean the argument of the trigo function, that would be just 2. To simplify, now have copy -1 times 1 minus cot 2x raised to -2 times negative and negative will be cancelled out. So, times 2 cosecant squared 2x. So, to further simplify, we have v prime. So, 2 times -1, that would be -2 cosecant squared 2x times 1 minus cot 2x raised to -2. So, to plug in to our formula that u v prime, sorry, u v prime plus vu prime, that would be u tan 2x, right? So, f prime of x is equal to u, which is tan 2x, times the v prime na -2 cosec, sorry, cosecant squared 2x, that is raised to 2, times 1 minus cotangent 2x raised to -2, plus the v na 1 minus cotangent 2x raised to -1 times the u prime. What is our u prime? The 2 secant squared 2x. So, to simplify this further, we can factor out this one and this one. By doing this, if naagani mo'y need i-factor nga naka-raise to negative, ang pinakadakog value nga negative is mo imong i-factor out. Ang pinakalayo ka 0. Ayaw i-factor out tong duol sa 0, which is the -1, and i-factor out mo tong layo sa 0. So, if we will be simplifying this, we have f prime of x, factor out na to si 2, kay na 2 dire, so napoy 2 dire. So, 2, and si kani. Right? Kaya i-factor out ganitong exponent nga layo sa 0. So, 1 minus cot 2x raised to -2. So, mabilin sa sulod nga to ang gifactoran is just negative, bilin si negative, tan 2x times cosecant squared 2x. Plus, since we have factored out this one, and kani, if i-divide na to siya balik dire, si 1 minus cot 2x raised to -2, right? Try to distribute siya ba? Kaya yung distribute na to siya dire, mabalik, diba? So, i-distribute na to balik dire para kay mabilin, kuhaon na to ang iyahang bilin dire. So, since this is the same base, and from the algebra na a raised to m over a raised to n is just equal to a m minus n. So this one, our base is the same. So that would give us, just to simplify, 1 minus cot 2x raised to -1 minus -2. So, to simplify, that would give us 1 cot 2x, -1 minus 2, just 1. -1 plus 2, so 1. So, not pa tayo mabilin diri na Sorry. Dapat tayo mabilin diri na 1 minus cot 2x times secant squared 2x. And to get rid of the negative exponent, we can further simplify this and put that 1 into the denominator. We would have 2 quantity of negative tan 2x cosecant squared 2x plus secant squared 2x times the quantity of 1 minus cot 2x all over 1 minus cot 2x raised to 2. So, sige. From this problem na ato ang na-simplify, if ang teacher or ang imuhang professor is assessment type and ganahan siya na i-simplify ang tanan nga dapat ma-simplify, dapat maging dapat maging mindful sa mga equation. Pareha ni. This one. We can simplify that one into its quotient identity. The quotient identity of tan 2x is equal to sine 2x over cosine 2x. And for the reciprocal identity of cosecant squared x, 2x is just equal to 1 over sine squared 2x. So, if i-multiply ito siyang duha, may mo siyang sine 2x over cosine 2x times 1 over sine squared 2x, which can be cancelled out. So, that would be 1 over cos 2x sine, sine 2x. And to simplify this further, going back to its reciprocal form, 1 over cos is secant 2x. And 1 over sine is cosecant 2x. So, to simplify this further, we will now have the f prime of x is equal to negative, 2, ilag na siya, 2 negative, which is kani, kaya na-simplify naman nato ni. So, sec 2x cosecant 2x plus sec squared 2x quantity of 1 minus cot 2x all over 1 minus cot 2x squared. So, that would be the end of the video. Try to answer these following problems by using the chain rule, product rule, or the quotient rule.